좋아요랑 구독하기 꼭 눌러주실 거.
반가워요 우리 친구들 안녕 플레이앤조이 함께 즐겨요 Let's go 놀아봐요 플레이앤조이
Hi, PlayNJoy friends! Welcome to Joy Fairy Tale Theater! Today's story is Sleeping Beauty. Now, let's jump into the story! Once upon a time, a beautiful princess was born in the kingdom. King and Queen was very happy and decided to have a big ball to celebrate the birth of their daughter. Thank you all for coming.
It's our present. We got a magic gift for Princess.
Three fairies waved the magic wand for the princess.
May her love, wisdom, and beautiful voice with you all. Love and happiness.
Then, angry voice was heard.
You didn't invite me for the ball?
Being angry for not being invited, the witch tried to spell the curse to the princess.
When the princess turns 16, she will die because of swing machine. Oh, my princess.
After time passed, the princess turned 16. Since she was full of curiosity, she climbed to the old tower that no one has climbed. What is this place for? I've never been here. Oh, Grandma! What are you doing? I'm making up clothes for a beautiful princess. This is called sewing machine. Do you want me to teach you? Yes. Ah. Oh, poor princess. The grandmother was a bad witch.
My curse is finally achieved.
The princess fell into the deep sleep instead of dying. At the moment, the fairy appeared.
Good night, sweet princess. One day, handsome prince will kiss you and wake you up.
One day, after passing 100 years, the prince of neighboring kingdom came to the castle, hearing the story. I will help the princess. When the brave prince went his way, the vines of thorn turned into the road of the flowers. Wow, she's so beautiful. I promise I will save your life. When the prince kissed the princess, she woke up and opened her eyes gently. You woke up. Thank you so much. The prince and the princess married with the blessing of fairies. They lived happily ever after.